Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you the full menu of this GoPro 12. I've just got this one as a Christmas present, and if planning to buy one, it's very important for you to know the whole menu and how it looks in menu. So you got like a simple menu and it goes like a professional menu, and in this video I'm gonna show you both them menus. So let's have a look. So let's switch it on, which is just the button here. You just press one and it should switch on. Now the menu is easy, and let's have a look. As you can see here, controls are set on easy and I don't have to go like mad on the settings. So basically, let's have a look on video menu. So I usually gonna press video, and it's basically asking what kind of quality of the video I want. If I'll put high here, we're gonna go for highest quality. If I'll go down at the bottom, we're gonna put 1080p HD to maximize the battery life, which it says here. I usually keep it in the middle if I'll go for easy menu. So the most important is to keep know the high settings of this GoPro, otherwise we're gonna overheat. So 4K 60 frames per second should do the job. And as you can see, that's the easy menu of the video. And let's have a look at the photo menu. It's pretty much the same thing. You just super photo, and you can go night photo, which is different settings for the night photography. As you can see here, it's basically automatically adjusting your GoPro shutter speed for dark and low light shots. Okay, you can choose here a timer if you want, like a delay timer. So we can go for 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Just keep it off. And here you go the wide. If you want to go digital lens, like a wide, or you want to go linear, which is different things. So let's have a look. Choose. Okay. So here you go, linear, which is you just put night for some reason. Now let's scroll and go for time lapses. So as you hear here on easy menus, you already got presets for you. So you can go for star trails, you can go for time warp, you can go for light painting, and you can go for vehicle light. I haven't used any of them. I didn't have a chance, so I'm really excited to use them, hopefully. When the weather's getting better. Let's have a look now on controls if you just decide to go in pro mode. So here you go, just go in pro mode, and let's have a good look at the same settings again. So again, we're gonna go for video menu, and now as you can see here, it's different options and it's more advanced. So if you're gonna choose on video, you're gonna have to adjust settings if you want. So basically you can shoot log HDR, and you can change aspect ratio as well, and same resolution. You can go to 1080p to 5.3K, and here you go, you can choose the lens as well. Well, hyper smooth if you want to, just keep it on so you don't have that shaky videos when you're trying to export. Here you go, the zoom, the duration is basically more advanced menu if you're looking for certain settings for certain video to shoot. Now let's have a look at photo menu. So here you go, it's a different menu, it's more advanced, and as you can see, you can shoot raw, and here you go, but you can shoot raw only wide. So if you want to go linear, you want to choose that option. And again, as you can see here, you got more options on the screens. You can choose your shutter speed, choose an auto, and you can choose the delay timer as well, just keep it off. And hey, and well, this is, so yeah, so once again, that's the photo menu, which is more advanced if you're looking to shoot certain things. So I will probably keep to photo standard, which is it's not a raw, but I don't need it because I haven't bought this camera to shoot photography. And again, let's have a look to time lapses. So here again, it's a different menu. It's more advanced, but now you can choose what kind of what kind of resolution you want, and it's basically more advanced. As you can see here, it's same settings, but it's showing you same settings but more detail. So basically you can adjust them the way you want to shoot. It's pretty simple, it's not that complicated, and that's easy and pro mode. And now let's have a look at the menu. So here it's calculating how much free space you got on your SD card. Mine is empty because usually I just upload my footages and I formatting my card. I don't keep any footages on my SD cards on my gear. This you can set up automatically upload on the cloud. I don't need that, to be honest. And let's swipe again and let's have a look at these settings. So these settings, the first one is the man with its voice commands. So you can control the GoPro using voice commands. Here it's a beeps, so when you're trying to take a photo, it beeps. That's a quick capture, so it's basically once you press or the shutter button here, we're gonna perform a quick capture, either photo or either videography. So we'll keep this one on for me. This is a front screen option, so you can choose how you want to look at the front screen. So I'm gonna show you the front screen is this one. So that's the front screen. You can choose how you want to look the front screen. So I've decided to choose the last options, which is better for me. Here you can lock your orientation, so as you're gonna put the GoPro like this, it will gonna stay landscape mode, which is not bad. And yes, that's a set. And if you just purchase additional lens for this GoPro 12, you can set up a new lens. For me, it's none because I don't have any, and I'm happy with the standard one. Okay, let's go to another menu, which is the last one. And here you can pair your device via Bluetooth. Yes, that's it. Controls, you can, again, I will keep, for myself, I will keep it to Pro because sometimes I want to adjust them settings, and I'll keep it to Pro. So if you're gonna choose preferences, it's more settings for the GoPro. So let's have a look what you go here. So you can set up and automatically upload on your cloud if you purchase the subscription. I haven't personally. The next one is wireless connection, and this is when you're connecting to Quick app. Now next is general. So basically it's having beep, volume, quick capture. It's basically some standard settings, not that complicated. And let's go to general. I think, oh yeah, general, I've just clicked. Video, as you can see here, you can choose what kind of video you want to shoot. So here you go, you can choose what bit rates you want for your videos. Personally, I will keep to standard. I don't want my GoPro to overheat. Now you can choose the bit depth. So I choose mine to 10 bit, which gives a bit more control during the post-processing, like color correction and all this stuff. And anti-flicker, you just keep it normal. I'm not bothered here. Okay, cool. So let's have a look at voice controls. Basically, you can have a look at here all the voice controls the GoPro have. And let's go to languages, displays. That how much you want the brightness, how much you want the screen on, simple settings. So you can choose what language you want for your GoPro. Let's have a look. So you can choose some couple of languages here. You can choose from. I will keep on English because that's what I prefer. Let's have a look at date and time. You can choose how you want the date and time to look on your GoPro. Keep it the way you want it. And let's have a look. Mode, I don't have any mode and I don't need this. And basically the last couple of options is more GoPro related. So you can click about and you can choose camera info, battery info, and GoPro updates if you want to update your GoPro. Now it's about regulations. It's just some regulations for you GoPro to see if it's complying for Europe regulations. As you can see here, I'm not that regulation guy, so as long as well, the GoPro is sold in your country, is following the country regulations. And the last option is just reset, so you can format your SD card, reset presets, and factory reset your GoPro, which you're gonna erase everything from your camera. So yes, I think that's the whole menu of this GoPro. It's very simple GoPro comparing to the Insta360 X3 I got, but I really like this camera. It's something I was looking to get, shoot B-rolls and other stuff. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I really hope you learned something. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well, and if you have any questions, please ask them below. I'll try to reply back as soon as possible, and I'll see you next video.